The crypto market has crashed today. The last 24 hours, we've seen a very big crash in the crypto market. What is going on? What is fueling this crash? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly my thoughts of what is going on in the crypto market and where we are most likely headed. I have some information to console you, to show you that cryptos are not done with, they're not over with, and that what's happening right now is actually a bullish event that's going to bring cryptocurrencies most likely up much further. So make sure, if you want to understand what's happening to cryptocurrencies, you stick around until the very end of this video. It's going to be short, sweet, and get to the point. You cannot miss it. So getting straight into the video, ladies and gentlemen, the last 24 hours, we've seen a pretty big crash in the crypto market, and that is happening for most altcoins. So most altcoins have taken a pretty significant dip. Let's go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin. What we can see is that Dogecoin has dipped from its very peak of 11 cents about 17%. That is pretty significant. But in the last evening, we saw Dogecoin down about 7%. If we go ahead to Shiba Inu, we can see from the top to our current level, a 10% dip as well. And most cryptocurrencies are just about those ranges, or a little bit less because they are less volatile, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But we need to ask ourselves, okay, is there any news that's actually driving the markets down? No. The markets, this is December, the markets are being driven down because they were very, very bullish this last week, and cryptocurrencies have bounced up a lot. So although Dogecoin is down 17% from its recent high, we are still up on a technical level 34%. So big corrections, big pullbacks happen after big pumps. It's completely normal, completely healthy. The reason why it takes place is because people take profits. There is still a lot of fear and FUD out there, which is not allowing cryptocurrencies to really pump as they should, but that is certainly the case, especially with the economy in its current condition. Now, I told you in my video yesterday, which I recommend you watch right after this video, that there is a big event happening this Friday, and also next week we have CPI. These data points that are released have a huge and profound effect on the crypto market, because those data points have a huge effect on the stock market. And the reason why that happens is because cryptos are a part of the financial markets. Financial markets, the stock market, for example, they're driven by what's happening in the economy. When the economy is very good and healthy, stocks pump. When the economy is not in good shape, when there's high inflation, when there's a recession, stocks go down. So the whales and institutions and the people that move the markets, that buy into the markets, they cause buying and selling in massive amounts, which pumps and dumps cryptos and stocks. And this is all based on the economy and the economical news. So the news data, the information that I talk about all the time over on this channel that affects cryptos, helps those whales and institutions to make decisions. Okay, is this good information? Is this good data showing that the economy is getting better, that a recession is slowing down, inflation is slowing down? All of those factors, if they see by the data that's revealed through sales and through all these different types of things that can help us to understand the economy better every single month, they will make decisions whether to buy or sell. So that's basically why the markets are so contingent and dependent upon the data points that I've been mentioning in this video. But before we get into the video, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you join the Patreon right now, where I'm putting out profitable buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies every single week. I'm a professional day trader, and I give you guys my exact trades that you have access to. The link for that is in my video description. But getting into the video, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and show you what's happening on the charts for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So Dogecoin was forming this very bullish pattern and holding above this trend line. This is completely normal for us to break this trend line, but once we did, there was a pretty significant correction that took place after it. And we did try bouncing back into the pattern, but got perfectly rejected and broke down a major support level. Not only have we broke down a major support level, but last night and today we've been rejected off of this support level and trying to break it, but we've had many attempts and we are failing. So Dogecoin can see a move down to this green box here, which can be likely, and that's about 9 cents to about 8.5 cents. That's going to be the range for that box. But any moment, of course, cryptocurrencies can bounce up and recover, and we could reclaim this bullish territory. But let me show you what's happening for other cryptocurrencies, and let me help you to understand what's really going on. So Shiba Inu is in this green area here, and this is a massive area where cryptocurrencies, specifically this area for Shiba Inu, there's a lot of institutional buying power. There's a lot of institutional money sitting on these levels, which causes big spikes. Every time we come into this area, there are big spikes that take place. So we're in this area. If we do break below it, there could be a pretty significant crash, which I don't think is going to happen, but possibly can. Now, most importantly, if we go ahead and take a look at the crypto charts, let me show you exactly what's really happening. So cryptocurrencies for the past couple of weeks have actually recovered, have actually bounced up a lot. And no matter how bullish or bearish things are, we have to take a breather after pumping this much and this much. We have to take a breather, and we're seeing a pullback. So what we can see here, this is the Bitcoin chart. Every cryptocurrency follows Bitcoin. Is we are seeing a pump followed by a move down, a pump followed by a move down. So this move down might not be completed yet, or maybe we had formed a major low. From this point, we could be recovering and heading up higher. So there's certainly a possibility. So this Friday is going to make another big move in the crypto market. And if we get some good data, depending on how the markets react to the good data, we will see another very big move, which will either be a very big crash or a very big move to the upside. Either way, I believe we're going to see a very big move that's going to take us away from this sideways trading. Now, make sure if you are trading cryptocurrency that you go over to Bybit. It's the best platform out there, the lowest fees, zero spot trading fees, and you can claim up to a $30,000 deposit bonus by using the link in my video description. All you have to do is open up an account for the first time, deposit any amount of cryptocurrency for the first time as well. If you're in the US, you will need to use a VPN. I recommend putting your country in Spain. I also have a crypto mentorship program for 1 whole year in a massive group where I am teaching people how to make money day trading cryptocurrency every single day. If you're interested in this, apply with the link in my video description. Thank you so much. If you got anything out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below, as I will see you all tomorrow.